Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I'm here today with a little kind of quick make using some of the tickets from my new ticket kit, which is still 50% off. If you finally have cut all your tickets out, you're probably thinking, well, now what am I going to do? So this is one idea I've come up with some of the tickets. I have taken the tickets that are attached, and you only need two that are attached. So I'm just going to cut that one like that. And then you can fold it, and what you're going to make is a kind of hidden paper clip. I say that because my paper clips are the bigger ones, and they didn't completely hide. So then I thought, well, what if I do a dangle? Because we all love a little dangle. So I added some of the Marquee, what is that what they're all? The mini Marquee letters from Holtz. I've had these and I've been hoarding them, and I'm like, all right, I need to do something with those. And I thought those looked fun attached. And then here I have a bead that's just dangling, and one of the keys that I got from BB Craft, so I put those on. Now, the only thing that I could see it being a problem is if you get it too bulky, since this pokes on or shows on the inside of the page, versus like I have here, this one's standing up so it dangles on the outside, so this will be okay. But you might not want to get this part too, my end frame. Okay, yeah. You don't want to get this part too bulky because then your book will go a little nuts. So maybe just a little dangle would be fun. So yeah, so let me just show you. It's pretty easy. I take my ticket, and then this is also a great use of the leftover scraps from cutting these apart if you happen to save them. And you're going to want to find or get a piece that's smaller than the ticket. And this is going to be what kind of covers up the paper clip so it's easy to slide on. All right, and then we need some glue. And I am just gonna cover this up with glue. Stick my paper clip in. Not like that, not gonna throw it in. Let's try that again. I'm gonna stick it. And then we'll put this over top. Really, is this one? So this one's gonna fit, huh? Murphy's Law. All right, so we're gonna cut some of this off. That's really funny. So that my paper clip shows. All right. That's really funny. That makes me giggle. All right, so then we also need glue on this side. Okay. And then we're gonna smush it. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. I knew there was something. You actually have to slide your paper clip. No, we're all sticky. In, oh, come on, Cara. Here. And there it is. That's what's gonna make the hidden paper clip. So then, now you can smush. Smush, smush. And then what I did with my other ones, if you have some kind of a clip, you can just kind of clip these on. Or you don't have to. You can just kind of let it set to dry for a little bit. But I just smushed all these around. And then I did some other things and just let that dry for a moment. And then we'll do that, and then we'll get our little pieces. So I have a bulb pin here, or you can use a jump ring. That is up to you. Here's a jump ring. I think that's what I'll use for this one. And then again, I am using the Marquee letters, and I just used my crocodile and made a hole. You could go back, like in this one, I added a eyelet, but you don't necessarily have to do that. Excuse me. So we're just going to open, I'm gluey now. I have gluey fingers. We're just going to open the jump ring, slide this on, and then if you have a little charm, this one's kind of nice because it's a flatter charm. Then you just stick this on, close up your jump ring, and there you go. Take these off. And isn't that cute? It's cute. And then I was inking up my edges on the other ones. You probably could ink up before, right? You could, when it's flat, when it's like this, you could ink up in the inside. Then the white wouldn't show. That's probably what I should have done instead of after the fact, but that's all right. It's tearing up my little dauber. All right, and there it is. A quick little thing that you can make quite a few and have them ready for journals. So let's see. I'm not sure if it's dry enough, but we'll give it a try. I'm just trying to find my center. There is my paper. And then you just slide that on. Ta-da! Oh, my A is backwards. I'm gonna have to flip my A around. But there we go. Aren't they fun? All right, come back. I'm gonna do another quick create with some more tickets. And I'll give you a secret. This week's Freebie Friday has tickets too. All right. Well, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.